Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and good evening to Miss Nur Afifah Akilah bin Teachers Remote as the instructor for the subject of engineering mathematics, and not forgetting also to Encik Fazil as the instructor for the subject. Today, I with three other friends would like to present a video based on title that we have agreed and chosen for the presentation this time. Without delay, I would like to introduce myself. I'm Muhammad Amirul Nizam bin Abdul Razak with registration number 04DEE20F100 and given the task as a PowerPoint video editor.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Syahmi bin Muhammad Zaidi. My metric number is 04DEE20F1024. In this group, I'm as a video editor.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Hazim bin Muhammad Zaim, and my metric number is 04DEE20F1039. My job in presentation math is as information seeker.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Daniel Hakim bin Muhammad Sakri from DEE to A. Metric number is 04DEE20F1060. I want present about mathematics. I want present about slide summary differentiation, chain rule, rate of differentiation. What is differentiation? Differentiation is an aspect of calculus that enables us to determine how one quantity changes with regard to another. Notation for the derivative. Important. The derivative or difference is denoted by notation f bracket x right as f prime x, or if given y total f bracket x. Chain rule. If x bracket x and g bracket x are two differentiable functions at the point g bracket x and x respective, then the composite function f g total f bracket g bracket x are also differentiable at the point x. If y total f bracket g, y total f bracket u, and u total g bracket x, then dy du dx du dx.
I'm here to talk about rate of change. Number 1. Differentiation can be used for solving problems of rates of change of certain quantities with respect to time. Number 2. If two variables are related to each other, then the rates of change with respect to time are also related to each other. Number 3. The rates of change can be expressed as the rates of increasing and decreasing of a quantity with respect to time. If y equals fx, then dy per dt equals dy per dx multiply dx per dt, where dy per dt and dx per dt are the rate of change of y and x respectively. This is tips. Rates of increase up is positive. Rates of decrease down is negative.
The problem of rates of change can be solved by carrying out the following step. Step 1. Read the problem carefully. Draw a sketch or a diagram if necessary to help in figuring out the problem and assign a letter to each of the given quantity. Step 2. Identify the rate of change and the problem of rate of change that need to be determined. What is given, what is to be found. Step 3. Find out more equations that are related to the given quantity and the problem of rate of change. Step 4. Differentiate both sides of the equation with respect to time and solve for the unknown variable. Step 5. Evaluate the variety of a certain given value.
From the 10 questions given by our lecturer, I with 3 others agreed to choose the 5th question, which is the height of a square-based pyramid increasing at 5 meters per second. Find the rate of change of the pyramid's volume when the height reaches 25 meters. Given that the volume of the pyramid is V equal 1 per 3 BH, where B is area of the base of pyramid and B equal 27 meter square. After reading the problem from the question, the diagrams is a square-based pyramid can I identify from the question given. After researching and finding the problems in this question, I was able to identify some important information that can help me to solve this question. For the first step, the information I got was about the square-based pyramid diagram. In this slide, what I want to discuss is about the volume of a pyramid. V means a volume equal to 1 per 3 BH, where B is the area of base, while for a rectangular pyramid, V is equal to 1 per 3 LWH. In other words, L is length, W is width, and H is height. For problem solving, dH per dt is equal to 5 meters per second, while for dV per dt we cannot know the value, and height is given 25 meters. Next, the formula given for volume is equal to 1 per 3 BH. B is equal to 27 meters square. Other than that, for dV per dH, it is equivalent to 1 per 3 B, where B is 27. For the solution, dV per dH is equal to 1 per 3 times 27, and the answer is 9. After getting all the desired values, we will use the chain rule formula for the last answer, that is dV per dt is equal to dV per dH multiplied by dH per dt by the value is 9 times 5, and out the last answer is 45 cubic meters per second.
After that, I want to talk about Islamic figures. That is Al-Khwarizmi. In full, his name is Muhammad ibn Musa Al-Khwarizmi, Muslim mathematician and astronomer whose major works introduce Hindu or Arabic numerals and the concept of algebra into European mathematics. Latinized version of his name and of his most famous book titled Life on in the terms algorithm and algebra.